This is a video showing you how to access your drug book from CoursePoint. So click on Lippincot Advisor. Oops. Thought I had everything open. These are all the options that you'll see. I want to access drugs, so I'll click on this, and then it will open. Oh, it opened all of them the same. Okay. So I will have to click on it again. So now, let's say I want to search for Tylenol. I found it. So here's acetaminophen. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to see all kinds of information. Okay? However, oops, I must have misspelled it. If I want to look it up in the drug book, I can come. Am I looking for oxycodone with acetaminophen? Am I looking for hydrocodone? Find the drug that you're looking for. Click on it. And then now we're in the nursing drug book. Just like this. Okay? This is the main page we had come to a moment ago whenever I typed it in. So now let's say you want to look for ibuprofen. You can start to type it in and then click from below. So again, all the information right there for you.